Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we're going to be going up in McDonald's in a snowstorm. So first thing I got to do, I got to get out and shovel my car off. Look at my car. Look, we're buried. My car is buried. Look, I'm not kidding, guys. Look, you can't see. You can't see out nowhere. That's how much snow is here. The only spot that I got cleared is right here. A little bit right here. Yeah. So the rest I'm gonna have to put you guys on pause and be right back. So guys, I got my windows clear and let's go. Oh my God. Holy moly, look at the road. The road is not touched. Whoa. Oh my God. We are the only tracks coming down my lane. Wait, no, we're the second. Whoa, look at the main road. Oh my God. I'm wondering, is McDonald's open? Yeah, I'm wondering, is McDonald's open? I'm hoping McDonald's is open so I can get a coffee. Alright guys, look at the main road. Oh my God. This is crazy. Whoa. Holy crap. Whoa. Oh my God, that was a steep hill. Yeah. Oh, oh, we got someone. Whoa, we got someone spinning out. We got somebody spinning out back there, and we got a guy just pulled in. I think he gave up. Oh my God, this road. Look at Brazos Hill, guys. Oh my God. Let's play a game. Are we still on the road? Whoa. Let's see what the sea is like now, guys. Let's see what the other main road is like. Holy crap. Guys, just look at this. Ooh, I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh my God, this is the main main road. Holy crap. Yeah. Well, A1 is closed. We'll soon find out if McDonald's is open. I can't see anybody letting their employees work in this. My God. We got a couple of vehicles on the road. Well, guys, when it gets up on the main beach, the big long beach, I'm going to pick it up from there, alright? So I'm going to pause the video, and next time I record, it's just going to be on the long beach. So I'm just going to pause the video there now. If I can get the button. Okay guys, this is going across Long Beach. It looks like it's clear up there, but Looks can be deceiving. But look at the road, guys. Oh my god. The road is horrible. You can't like you barely keep your car on the road. But you guys are gonna see if I can make it up over Brazos Hill too. So I'm gonna keep on going and like see if McDonald's is open. So I'm gonna see if McDonald's is open, guys. You guys are gonna see if McDonald's is open today, because I'm putting this up ASAP as soon as I get home. What's the Ascension Hill like, I wonder? Oh my god, look at Ascension Hill. Whoa. That is crazy. Come on, studded tires, don't fail me now. Whoa, whoa. Oh, she went right over that time. Yeah, seems like up on the highlands is dirtier. See guys, how it's getting dirtier again? Hey, remote starters, $3.49. That's pretty cheap. Yeah, I bet you this wind picks up now. Oh my god, it's gonna be so nasty. Oh boy. I think the wind's supposed to pick up now. Like, it's only like 12:26. It just flipped over, so yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna pick it up now. Next time I'm gonna wait now. No, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let her go. Show you guys what the stoplights is like. This hill to the stoplights. Oh my god. Thank God. Stay green. Oh, Piper's open. Pals is open. It's all open up here. So I'm guessing Rotten Ronnie's is open. Then again, I don't know. This is McDonald's parking lot. We got 2 vehicles. Well, let's find out.
Just one moment there.
Okay. Ooh, I guess you're open.
You can go ahead.
A medium coffee, double. That's it.
Okay, you can drive through.
So guys, McDonald's is open, so I'm going to pause this again. Welcome back guys. I got my coffee, so we're heading back home. So let's see how my car reacts to this. We're pulling out of Palace parking lot here now, heading left, so we got to go left up over the hill. Let's see how good my tires are. You shouldn't get stuck. I got really good snow tires on. Oh yes, this is nutting. Come on, baby. Whoa, you can hear the snow flicking up on top of the under the car. Awesome. Well, alright guys, I'm gonna pause it again, and when it gets to A1 I'm gonna see if we can make it on top of Brazos Hill. Okay? Stay tuned. Alright guys, we are by A1 there now, and we are by A1, and we're just about to turn up to Brazos Hill. Oh my God. I'm hoping I'm not making a mistake. Oh my God, look at Brazos Hill. Whoa. Buddy, don't slide into me. Come on, car. Come on, old grey. Don't you talk back to me. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Whoa, guys. Come on. Come on. Hear it? She's doing it. Woo! Thank God for studded tires. Oh my God, we did it. We did it. We made it. Yeehaw! We did it. Now I got Seymour's Road to go up and my driveway. Let's see, guys. See how we can grin and beard. We conquered and grin and beard the almighty Brazos Hill, the steepest one in Spanish Bay, I think. Now, see how we can conquer this one. Oh my God, this is not even touched. Tracks going out there towards the. Yes, my car can make it through anything. Now, my driveway. I'm the only track set of my driveway. I'm chasing my own tracks. Oh my God. It's wicked. We made it. Yeehaw, we made it, guys. Oh my God, now. Back her in. Come on, Gerry. Don't take the side house off. There we go. Back her in, Gerry. I'm back a bit more, a bit more, a bit more. There we go. Alright, guys, we made it. Turn the heat down and turn the wipers off. Put this in park. And yeah. Yep, we made it, guys. Oh my God, we made it in a snowstorm to McDonald's, got my coffee, and we made it back. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. If you're going up, you notice what you got facing you. So yeah, the roads are bad. So look at this. It's all like snowing in again as quick as that. Alright, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I love you all. Stay safe if you're on the road. Bye.